how to create a Chegg account. So to create a Chegg account, first you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Chegg, and on the first search you will have www.chegg.com. Click on that. And now to create an account, here you will have sign up option. Click on sign up. And now to create, first you have to enter your email address and then you have to create a password, or you can also create your account with your Apple or Facebook or your Google. So let's enter the information. Here you have to enter your email, and then here you have to create a password, and the password must be at least 6 characters. It should include one uppercase, one lowercase, and number or punctuation. So let's enter the password, and after entering the password, click on create account. And that's it, you have created your Chegg account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.